Realme today launched two new budget smartphones in India from its C series, Realme C15 and C12. Both comes with a massive 6000 mAh battery and feature a super power saving mode for additional battery life. In terms of specification and price, there are minor differences that will make C15 a slightly more expensive phone than C12. Hello everyone, how are you all? I know you people are doing absolutely fine. This is Amey here and you're watching Tech Panda. In today's video, we will be giving you our initial impressions on Realme C15. So, without wasting further ado, let's get started. Let's look at the unboxing first. Realme C15 comes with a 6.5-inch HD Plus display and a Corning Gorilla Glass layer on top. Under the hood of the phone runs a MediaTek's Helio G35 processor. The smartphone's 6000 mAh battery comes with a support for 18-watt fast charging via a USB Type-C cable. On the software front, Realme C15 runs Realme UI based Android 10 out of the box. In the photography department, Realme C15 has a quad camera setup at rear. The combination is of a 13 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel black and white lens and 2 megapixel retro lens. With this, we also get to see some exciting features such as chroma boost, portrait mode and slow motion video recording. The AI selfie camera on Realme C15 supports a 8 megapixel primary sensor with support HDR mode, pano selfie and AI portrait beautification. The launch event gave us a clear picture about how these smartphones will be placed in an already crowded budget segment with the new Narzo series and other C series smartphones. Realme C15 starts at Rs 9,999 for the base model with 3GB RAM and 32GB storage. The 4GB RAM and 64GB variant of the Realme C15 is priced at 10,999. The smartphone will go on its first sale on August 27 at 12 PM via Flipkart and Realme.com. As for the Realme C12, we only get to see one variant, that is 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, which will be priced at 8,999. And its first sale will take place on August 24 at 12 noon. So these were our initial impressions on Realme C15. Please let us know guys, what do you think about Realme C15 in comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification if you haven't already. I come up with new videos every Friday, so please stay tuned to this channel. It's been a great time with you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Panda.
और हाँ, घंटी बजाना मत भूलना।